still vlogging?
Burning shit.
Andrew being useful for the first time ever. Hello.
Hey boy, I can't see.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video it is the time to install my long tube headers. These stock headers will be coming out and those BBKs will be going in. Alright, got the headers out. Got the headers out. Move it over here. Where is she? I think I can grab it right here. I got it. We grabbed it. Easy. This is the driver or passenger side. So passenger side is outie. Nice. So this.
It's a tuba.
I was gonna show this. Look at it. See this, Andrew? Look at the difference on that shit. Look at that. It's about to be loud.
Yeah, that's how I spread COVID last time.
What else do I have to get on this? Oh, I gotta get all of them. I gotta get all of them. All of them.
12 years later.
It's about to be 12 years later. Shit. Fuck! God, this shit hot! You see this? If you get the right tools, it works. Touch it!
No, fuck off.
It's not hot. I'm literally grabbing it.
Why the fuck do I want to touch it?
Because you're cold. No, touch this part.
Radiating.
Hey, you want to touch?
No, fuck
you're
off.
fucking pussy.
So nuts.
It always does that.
Turn it off.
Well, first, guys, you gotta go to the bathroom and
Shit on a fucking brush. Yeah, where it falls off when I'm driving. Okay. That bitch on there now. Alright.
Alright guys, here's the
Why do you
progress.
need it?
This one didn't go all the way.
working on some shit over here.
Yeah, I know, but you can't. There's no screw that fits.
Andrew being useful for the first time ever. Hello.
Record me working on the car. So I'm posting on the store instead of working on the Mustang. What are you doing?
You this fucking guy?
Yeah, who are you? You're new to the vlog, huh?
Hello. What?
Oh, yeah, Andrew working.
You're right, you can't see shit.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do it up here. It's just gonna take a while, but I'll just do it up here. Motherfucker weird.
I can't see because my fucking fat ass palm.
Oh shit.
Hard work. Hard at work.
Stop! Andrew, he's so salty.
Andrew, you got word for the vlog being down there?
Huh?
What do you have to say to the vlog?
Hungry, babe.
You still vlogging, dude?
Burning shit.
Burning shit. Let's go.
You don't fuck me up. Oh yeah. If you're gonna take these off, make sure you have this tool. Snap the fucking drawer. Yeah. Yeah, I wish they could smell me through the camera. That's like shit.
Try sniff it. Try sniff through the mic like that. Putting that farmer straight.
Now I need to heat it up more. What'd you say?
Cameron, what are we doing here?
Trying to work with this guy.
Tell me when you want to move it up.
Andrew, what are we doing down there?
Sucking the dust out of this pipe.
Yes, sir. You guys heard the man.
Alright, Andrew. Alright, well, we got the headers in. Yep, there they is. They in there. Can you see it? No, you can't see in the bottom. But now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on the mid pipe. Yes, they're catted because I do want to not get illegal? Wow! Wow! Okay.
Oh, the fucking light balance is great.
Damn, these oxygen sensors are gonna be a pain in the ass to plug in. That's how you have a brother that does welding. Let me see it. Damn, Ethan really cut this bitch.
That shit gone.
Yeah, that shit gone.
Hey, have me one of those,
Extra. You're doing great, Ethan.
I love the smell of that.
Tell us when you're gonna go. Ah, he's in the maze. You gotta go on that side, Andrew. Go on that side, hurry. In the front, in the front, in the front. Don't you look? Yeah, you fucking, you can look at through the camera thing, but you can't look at it directly. It'll burn your eyes.
Hey, boy, I can't see. Look at that. Ain't you a man who knows how to weld? That shit ain't bright.
Oh, look at it.
It ain't bright.
Stop! Andrew, no! This guy's fucking nuts. What's going on, guys? Well, it was a couple days, or it's been a couple days. I had to wait for clamps for the mid pipe for the resonators to the catted BBK pipes, and they just came in the mail. I just finished bolting it up. It's all done. Everything is in there. You guys can see long tubes are in. Yep, they're in. So now all I need to do is I need to plug in the tuner and load the tune that I got from Auto Mafia and start her up and then see what she does. I'm very excited. Alright, gotta start it up. Let me program the vehicle to tune it. Alright, got the tune loaded up, or the tune's going in now. Took a little while because I had to update this thing and it was super out of date, so I had to wait like 3 hours, but it's updating now, and then we can see how this thing sounds and how it feels. Alright, this is the cold startup. Alright guys, well, that's the end of the video. I didn't film me driving because I did not have a passenger and I wanted to focus on it and get it. One thing that I do got to point out is if you do get the catted H pipes, you are going to have a lot of smoke because you're burning through that new, you know, fumes on your, you're burning off all that coating stuff on your stuff. Further ado guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. I will be posting a video. My girlfriend bought me a wing for my car. I'm not gonna tell you what wing it is, but that's coming to the channel and it's gonna be super sick. So stay tuned. If you guys liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. More to come to this channel. There's a lot more done to this car, or needs to be done to this car. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you can believe it, you can achieve it. See ya.